Hello there, happy Friday. I'm 7 First Alert Meteorologist Denise Isaac, and this afternoon we continue to track the possibility for some very strong storms. Thanks to a cold front that continues to move into the area, there's a severe thunderstorm watch to our south for Indiana and Ohio. We're not included in that severe thunderstorm watch, but there's still a risk for some strong to severe storms this afternoon. So from Detroit southward, we're in that yellow color. That's what that slight risk means. The greatest risk, once again, will be to our south, from Muncie all the way down south into Ohio. So here are first alert storm threats, or fast numbers. Mid to late afternoon, mostly anywhere between 2 and 7 p.m. Lightning will be the highest risk, followed by wind and flooding, then hail, and there's a slight, very slight chance of a quick spin up. So as we're planning our afternoon, make sure you have your umbrellas with you. By 3 p.m., storms are possible, 84. Storms continue between 5 and 7. Spotty showers still possible by 9, 75. And then tonight, mostly cloudy, 71 degrees by 11. Tonight, storms end early, clearing and cooler, thanks to that cold front moving through. By Saturday, a gorgeous looking day, a high of 79. That's the dry day of the week though, because we do see by Sunday 81 with a 30% chance for afternoon showers. More rain come Monday. 83 degrees will be the high, and it stays unsettled all the way through Thursday.